all seated, and please take care when opening those overhead compartments, as contents may have shifted during our takeoff. This aircraft is equipped to 7 lavatories located throughout the various cabins. We ask that you do not congregate in the aisle areas around the lavatories and galleys, and please use the lavatories in your ticketed cabin. Today in first class, there is 1 lavatory located in the forward part of the airplane. In business class, you have 2 lavatories located past row number 10, and in economy class, you have 4 lavatories, all of which are located at the back of the airplane. For our customers who are seated in United Economy Plus today, we ask that you do not come forward of the closed curtain. Please keep in mind that the lavatories are located behind your seat. Flight attendants are always available should you require direction or assistance, and we thank you in advance for your cooperation in this matter.